Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by taking a full backup, files and database, because mistakes happen and you must be able to restore. Once done, log into WP Admin and open Appearance right arrow themes and also connect with FTP or your host file manager to access /WP content/themes. Make sure you switch the active theme to a safe default, then remove the first unused theme from WP Admin. This first action reduces site break risk and prepares you for direct file removals. You now continue by deleting remaining themes. If WP Admin allows, use the built-in delete button. Otherwise, use FTP or Hosting File Manager and remove each theme folder from /WP content/themes. If a child theme exists, delete the child first so you avoid orphan dependencies. For power users, run WP Theme Delete ThemeSlug with WP-CLI to ensure cleanup and proper capability checks. Throughout, make sure file permissions are correct and that you do not remove the active site theme. Finish by clearing any object, plugin, and CDN caches, then reload pages to confirm the site renders with the chosen default theme. Next, check the database for leftover theme options, theme mods, or transients, and remove them if needed to avoid clutter. If something breaks, restore the backup you made earlier or enable WP Debug to capture errors. Also verify file ownership and permissions. If permissions or a plugin interferes, revert and retry deletions from recovery mode or via hosting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.